Hey everybody, I'm here in Oak Lawn today, and I wanted to also show you a behind the scenes of a property that we're actually starting work on it today. It's going to be 5 bedrooms, I believe 2 bathrooms, beautiful raised ranch home, and I wanted to go ahead and get you guys inside before they actually even touch the house. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, here it is. Beautiful brick raised ranch with a gigantic concrete side drive. That's the crew's work car right there. Two-car garage. It's the backyard.
Don't show him the door.
No. He's talking about this door right here. We had to go ahead and break in our own rehab to get inside, but it's all going to be replaced anyway for the renovation. And so if we go upstairs, the first thing that you see is the kitchen. Okay. As you can hear, they're already starting to work on it. So all this is going to be demolished. Here's the living room. Before we get to the living room, you have this half bath. And this half bath right here is going to be removed. And they're just going to go ahead and open it up all the way into the kitchen. So they're going to get rid of that half bath. But it has a beautiful long living room with a fireplace. Very nice. And over here we have the full bath, a bedroom. Here's the full bath with the pink tile and the pink tub. One of the bedrooms. There you go. Some more lighting. That's the other bedroom. Now let's go to the basement. Let's go see what they're doing down there.
It's gonna be the man cave.
Oh, shit, as you guys can see. Damn, pretty huge basement. Right? So it's gonna be 2 bedrooms over there, and then where's gonna be the bathroom?
Right there somewhere.
Okay. Okay. And then over here you have the where the washer dryer is. The furnace. It's looking good, looking good. And that's about it, guys. Have a quick little view of the rehab coming soon in Oak Lawn.